Hi guys, Samuel from GS Samuel channel. We are here with Arun and Smaran.
The zombie strike.
And Tharun and David.
Accused strike and life.
Okay.
Sorry.
Now Arun and Smaran are gonna be a team and Tharun and David are gonna be a team.
Allied versus.
So the Nerf war starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Go. Go to side. It starts now. Go, shoot him. David is going in. Oh my god, guys. Oh. David gets a shot. Oh my god. Super. David shot him. Oh, Smaran is going after him now. What happened? You can see Arun over here.
10 seconds to make the big home.
10, 9, 8. Oh my god. Smaran revived Arun. Oh my god, David is coming. Oh, double shot. Now we cannot revive him. David is out. Okay, next you must only kill Tharun now. Find where is Tharun.
Hey, they're drunk.
Tharun is... Oh my god, you can see Tharun over here. Guys, Tharun is over there. Go, kill him.
Not ready.
Oh my god, there's no ladies. Go. Oh my god, Tharun is over there. Smaran is lead holding. It's a battle between Arun and Tharun. Oh, he shot him. Arun is going in. Oh, here comes Smaran. Oh, Tharun is shooting him. Oh, Arun gets a shot. No, Smaran is coming. Oh, Smaran is out. Oh my god. Guys, somebody should revive them. Oh my god, they caught Arun.
Please, don't shoot me, please. I beg you, please, Tharun. I'll give you money.
Oh, he got him. Outside him, guys. The Nerf war is happening over there. Both of them are shooting. Oh my god, both of them are shooting them. David is dead. Arun is dead. Oh my god. Tharun, both of them are dead. And the winners now, Arun and David. What do you wanted to do? You will come back and fight again?
Rematch.
Okay. Now Tharun has